Cole,
What?
tell me what you just said about Grandpa and Grandma about your birthday.
Because.
Huh?
Because.
Are Grandpa and Grandma gonna come for your birthday?
Yeah.
When?
Night.
No, they don't. They're not coming tonight. It's too far of a drive.
Too far away.
Yeah, but they did send you a present.
I get my present.
Yeah, you get your present in 2 days.
Yeah. 2.
Tell Grandma and Grandpa what's coming up.
2.
Whose birthday is it?
Me.
How old are you gonna be?
Face old.
Show me with your fingers.
1. See?
3 years old?
Yeah.
And when's your birthday?
My birthday coming up.
But what month is your birthday? July
11.
July 11th. Very good.
I want to see it.
But you'll see Grandpa and Grandma soon.
Hey. I want to see it.
Say bye, Grandpa, Grandma.
I want to see it. Bye.